Yumi. You've got to help me. It's about the board I made. Please help me. I'm having trouble with the design of the board I made.
The number you have called is no longer in.
Please help me. I'm having trouble with the design of the board I made. Oh. Hi there everyone. I'm Rio. It's nice to meet you. I'm Yumi's manager and I'm in charge of creating online content. I've been a BI enthusiast for about 10 years now. This time, I'd like to ask Yumi to spruce up the collaboration board I made between Twitter and MotionBoard. Take it away, Yumi.
I'll do my best. Okay then, let's start. Before suddenly editing a board, ask what its purpose will be and make a draft of the overall image. I tried to design it this way. After you propose a draft and get an OK, then you can revise a board. This time I'm using layout mode. We're also planning to release a video using free layout mode soon, so please look forward to it. First things first, I'll put the items that will be placed on the left side of the board in a container. I'll organize the contents of this container later. I'll adjust the balance of the 3 charts that I have not included in the container first. Okay, next, I'll revise each chart one by one. Let's start with the line and bar chart. Since the wording of the legend is fixed, I won't use the legend attached to the chart. Instead, I'll modify it so that the legend lines up with the title. The item I used was a text item. I'll base other chart titles on this text. For this chart, it's enough if you can see the transition trend, so let's erase the additional lines in the background and delete the border. I'll also adjust the width of the column, the thickness of the line and the letters on the axis. By the way, this board is supposed to let you visualize and analyze the characteristics of your own tweets. So let's go with Twitter colors for the colors. Okay. I'll leave the board for now. Let's think about the color scheme. This time, I used the Adobe Color tool. There are a lot of different tools for creating color schemes. I think it's fun to check out different. This is the color scheme I came up with this time. I'll write the color code in the video summary section as well. Okay, let's start using this color set right away. I've set the colors of the line and the column. I don't really like the look of the line. It's a bit difficult to understand when similar colors overlap. I'll set it to show data points so it's easier to see. I think this is better. What do you think? Next, let's work on the heat map. It's important to be able to recognize what the changes in color in the heat map mean. This time, the base color is light blue. I'll set it so that the color gets darker the more tweets there are, and lighter the less tweets there are. I'll use the same color set. Just like this. Next, the summary table. The summary table is very simple. Cheers to simplicity. If you want a clean look, don't overuse colors. I think less is more. It's gotten pretty organized. Once we've reached this point, we can set margins. This time, I'll set a margin for each layout. As much as possible, align the starting position of the title with the display location of the chart. This looks pretty good. Lastly, let's organize the items in the container. First, we'll make the font size and color uniform without considering the margins. Once we've set the color and size, we can set the margin for each area. Actually, MotionBoard was upgraded in June 2020. Making margins have become easier thanks to this upgrade. I'll take this opportunity to introduce other things that have become easier because of the upgrade. Let's start by opening container properties. Take a look here. This is a setting that was added in the version upgrade. We'll use it this time. Margin settings for the entire layout. This setting lets you set the bottom, left and right margins of a container all at once. If you set the top, bottom, left and right margins, it'll look like this. You can make detailed settings on each layout, but I'm very happy that this additional function became available. Now, let's make some fine-tune adjustments. Editing goes really smoothly if you have a conceptual drawing right? And with that, the board is complete. Since a conceptual drawing is important for any kind of board, I recommended that you firmly decide on the configuration and board usage procedure first. Design starts from the image you want to convey. Design starts from the image you want to convey. Let's start MotionBoard.